Posters featuring Pakistan Army Chief General Syed Asim Munir have emerged in occupied Kashmir ahead of the Pakistan's Defence Day on September 6. The posters displayed in various areas of the Srinagar convey a message that time is near when Kashmir will be liberated and its people will attain their rights. Senior All-Party Hurriyat Conference leader Professor Abdul Ghani Butt has categorically rejected the legitimacy of the elections in occupied Kashmir, emphasizing that the disputed territory's final status can only be determined through a UN-supervised plebiscite. Professor Butt, in a statement issued in Srinagar, stated that the past elections were merely administrative and did not change the territory's status, which the UN Security Council has acknowledged as disputed through its resolutions. All Parties Hurriyat Conference in a statement also questioned the legitimacy of the so-called elections, while occupied Kashmir's true leadership like Musarrat Alam Butt, Shabir Ahmad Shah, Muhammad Yasin Malik and Mirwais Umar Farooq is either in jail or facing restrictions in the movement. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas reiterated that the Hurriyat leadership represents the true aspirations of the Kashmiri people and urged the United Nations to initiate the process of restoring their right to self-determination. Residents in the Bandipora protested against the authorities' inaction and heavy flooding. They blocked the Sopore Sumbul Road for many hours. In another incident, relatives of a daily wager who died due to harassment by the government officials staged a protest with the dead body in the Samba area of the Jammu region. In the UK, the Kashmiri diaspora organized an event in the Birmingham to recall and pay tribute to the resistance icon Shaheed Syed Ali Gilani. The participant emphasized that Gilani's lifetime is a role model for the young generations.